Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Prakash Patil. My roll number is A36. My PRN number is 1819000268. Today I am going to present one presentation on the subject of distributed system. My topic is clock synchronization algorithm. First we see the introduction. Clock synchronization is a method of synchronizing clock value of any node in distributed system with the use of external reference clock or internal clock value of the node. Based on approach, the clock synchronization algorithm are divided as centralized clock synchronization and distributed clock synchronization algorithm. First, see the centralized algorithm. There are mainly two parts. First is passive time server and second is active time server. In passive time server, each node is periodically sent request message time to the time server to get accurate time. In active time server, the time server periodically broadcasts its clock time as a time t, and other clock receive the message and readjusts their local call accordingly. Next part is network time protocol. In network time protocol, first we discuss the type of algorithm. Network time algorithm is a distributed time algorithm. The approach of this network time protocol is external clock is used as a reference time server and it is based on the multiple time server arranged in level. Next, see the scalability. The scalability of network time protocol is very good as compared to other. But there are also some limitations also in network time protocol. First is the support in Unix system only. And its fault tolerance is also yes. The reasons for implementation is to minimize the propagation time in millisecond and faster access of correct time value. Next is Berkeley algorithm. In the Berkeley algorithm, this algorithm is overcome the limitations of faulty clock and the malicious interface in a passive time server, and also overcome the limitations of active time server algorithm. Time server periodically sends a request message time to all nodes in the system, and each node sends back its time value to time server. This time server has an idea of message propagation to each node and readjusts the clock value in the reply message based on it. As well, it avoids the reading from unreliable clock. For adjustment, time server sends a factor by which other nodes require adjustment. Next part is clock synchronization wireless network. In clock synchronization wireless network, the definition of time synchronization does not necessarily mean that all clocks are perfectly matched across the network. This would be the strictest form of synchronization, as well the most difficult to implement. So the precise clock synchronization is not always essential, so protocol from Linnaeus stick are available to meet the one's needs. There are basically three types of synchronization of method for wireless network. The first is relative timing is simplest, is realize the ordering of message and event. The next method is relative time, in which network clock are dependent on each other and nodes keeps track of draft and offset. And the last method is global synchronization, where there is a constant global time scale throughout the network. Hence, the conclusion is clock synchronization is necessary for ordering of event to present the static of resource. As per algorithm, we can say that the clock synchronization is the need of consider the propagation of a message among the each node in both type of algorithm, centralized and distributed. So centralized synchronization algorithms suffer from these issues like scalability and network traffic. So this issue can be overcome by distributed synchronization algorithm, but it also suffers from issues of fault tolerance. So therefore, it is required to find method that is give the accurate average skew to find the average accurate local clock time. Thank you.